the SQL average function. The average function returns the average value of a numeric column. So for this particular example, we will be using the product table. So first, let's display the data from the product table using the select asterisk statement. So we have to select asterisk from product. So we have there. First example is we are going to find the average price of all the products. To do that, let's use this statement. Select AVG product price because we are going to look for the average product price from the product table. So the output table displayed the computed average of the product price in the product table. Another example is adding a where clause in our AVG function. So by doing so, let's use this statement. So select average product price from product. Product is the name of our table, where supplier ID, where our supplier ID, this one, is equal to 1. So we have here the average product price for the supplier ID number 1 is 2,209.75 because product price for supplier ID number 1 is we have 1,000, 1,253, 4,561, and 20 or 2,025 because we have 4 values for supplier ID number 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For example, number 3, we are going to use an alias in giving a name for our output column still by using the as keyword. So let's put it into action. So we have select AVG product price as average price. So the average price will be the name of our output column. So from the product table. So we have there the output table displayed the average price column containing the average values of the product price column. For our example number 4, we are going to get higher than average. So we are going to list all records with a higher price than average. So the AVG function in a subquery can be used. For example, we are going to return all products with a higher price than the average price. To do so, let's use this statement. So we have select AVG or select asterisk from product where the product price is greater than, then we have to select the AVG product price from our product table. So let's review. So we are going to return all the products with a higher price than the average price. So first is we are going to select all the products from our product table where the product price is greater than. So inside the parentheses, we are going to select first the average product price from the product. So to get this, we will be having the average, and by executing this first, line of codes. In here, we are going to select the product price which is higher than our average product. So the output table displayed the products whose product price is higher than the average prices of all the products in the product table. So we have to note that in our previous example, the average product price is 7,215. So this one. This is the average product price for all the product, which is lower than the product price of the products displayed on the output table. So this one is lower than all of this. So another example of using average is by, with, or with the group by clause. So the average function and the group by clause to return the average price of each category in the product table. In doing so, let's execute. So we are going to select first our data. So we have to use select and then the AVG, which is our keyword, for selecting the product price or the average product price as. So we are setting an alias for our output column as average price. And we also need to select our supplier ID because this will be a basis for our grouping from the name of the source table. And then we are going to group by supplier ID so that the output table can display the average price. Well, there you have it. So that the output table can display the average price of each product grouped by the supplier ID in the product table.